So I'll be showing you how to turn live photos on or off on your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro. So simply go to the camera app and then you should see the live photo icon here. Right now it's off. To turn it on, tap on it. You can see it says live here and there's no line across this icon. To turn it off, tap on it again. It says live off and you can see there's a line across this icon right here. Okay, it really is as simple as that. You can also tap on this upward facing arrow right here, and from the menu that pops up at the bottom, there's also a live icon here that you can use to turn live off, on, or leave it on auto for it to decide for itself whether it wants to turn on or off. So currently live is off. You can turn it on from here, or you can turn it off, or just leave it on auto so it can decide for itself. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.